Look how cute my freaking car is. I love my car. So first, I'll give you a car tour. I just got this new steering wheel cover. This looks fancy. Look at these big screens up here. I get nervous in situations like this. New year means new car. Kinda. I feel like you guys know I go through phases with my car and I always want to change it up. I went through the yellow sunflower phase, which is when I first got my car 2 years ago. Then I went through like the black and white phase, and now I'm in my pink phase. So today we're going to be cleaning out my car, kind of redecorating it. It's just disgusting, it really is, and she needs a little makeover, so why not give it to her? And if you guys don't know, I drive a Mini Cooper. It is a 2020 Mini. I actually just bought this car, so it was on a lease. I got it 2 years ago and I just bought it. It was just so crazy because I would never be able to buy a car if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much. Like, the fact that I'm able to buy a car at 18 is crazy. And I never thought that I would be able to do that, but I'm just so grateful. So let's clean out this car. Let's declutter her. And she's in her new era. She's in her pink era. So first, I'll give you a car tour. So right here, obviously we see my steering wheel. I just got this new steering wheel cover and she's pink and sparkly and I'm absolutely obsessed with her. From Amazon. It's linked in my bio in my storefront. It was literally like $15, I think, or $20. I don't know, but it's so cute. Clearly, I love pink right now. Then we have this little like center console area, and this is where it starts to get messy. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have like this little Hawaiian flower thing. I also keep one on the back of my chair just because I think it's cute. Okay, this is so TMI. Like, look at all the dust and crust that's going on in here. Oh, and here's my sunglasses. But why is it so dusty and musty? In this center console, I have all the goodies. We got some tried and true hand sanitizer, which I use literally 24/7. Lots of tampons. I also keep forks in here. You never know when you're gonna need a fork, and these are Chipotle forks, which are the best forks. And then of course I have some gum. I have my old name tag from my old job. I don't know, it's just random. And then over here we have a mini hairbrush, which I actually use 24/7. I highly recommend. I have a mini deodorant, which is also, dang it. This is also clutch for your car because the amount of times I accidentally leave my house without deodorant and then go all the way back to put it on. So just some Old Spice. My favorite. I love me some Vaseline. Oh my gosh. Why do I drop everything? I love me some Vaseline. I really do. So I keep that in there. So I have this little thing in my air vent and it's called Sauce Moto. And it's basically just like this little holder for sauce if you go through the drive-thru, so that way you don't have to hold it when you're driving. I never use them, but whenever I have passengers, they use them because my car is very small and there's no really place to put anything. So I like having it for other people, but I have another one and I lost the little like tray thing that goes in it. So I think I need to get rid of these. Oh my gosh, I hate this car sometimes. I can't put anything in the cup holders, otherwise it falls and disappears and I never see it again. I have a little iPhone block, my garage opener. This needs to go somewhere. Ugh, there we go. So we're keeping the Vaseline, we're keeping the hairbrush, and we're keeping the deodorant right where they were, because I use these every single day of my life. They're clutch. I'm getting rid of this old pair of sunglasses, this Sauce Moto, and this charger block is gonna go inside with me somewhere. That's progress, I think. What about in here? I think I'm gonna get rid of my name tag because I just don't need this anymore. Ugh, why are my tampons so sticky? Something exploded in here, so that's going in the trash too. What else we got? What else we got? I have the cutest little decor things here. I have this little pink headband, flowers on it, a little pig that Chase, my brother, got me for Christmas, and this little Texas air freshener that my family from Texas got me. But then I also have black ice air freshener, but this just reminds me of a teenage boy or like a frat boy, so we're gonna take it off. It doesn't even smell like anything anymore. I don't know who I thought I was being when I bought this. I mean, it does smell good, like, don't get me wrong, and I'll probably buy more, but like, why do I have to get black ice? I told you I was in my black and white aesthetic of my car, and I think I just wanted it to match my car, so I got the black one. She's going in the trash because that thing is ancient. Here's another struggle I'm having. Right here I have this thing, and it was supposed to be for my car tripod, but if you've watched any of my recent videos, you've seen that my car tripod is broken and she doesn't work anymore, so I gotta rip this off. It has this annoying freaking sticky stuff. Ugh, I need a new car tripod so bad because I can't vlog in my car for you guys. But this has been stuck to my dashboard since I literally got my car 2 years ago. Like, it has never come off. Ugh. I don't like the feeling of this. It feels uncomfortable. Ugh. Almost there. Is this TMI? I feel like this is TMI. Ew, look at that. Ugh. I thought it might be satisfying, but it just feels like a booger. I think I got it. There is literally like a permanent circle from that being there for 2 freaking years. Hopefully when I clean it, it'll come out. But I feel like I'm just gonna stick another car tripod there eventually, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. I have this adorable little Hawaiian flower, but like, what the heck is on it? Like, why is it brown? Okay, that's going in the trash as well. This is my trash pile. And this air freshener, I swear it doesn't do anything. Like, I don't think it has ever smelled like anything, but we're gonna keep it here just in case it does. I think I need a new air freshener. Trash. Look how cute my freaking car is. I love my car. I'm so happy that I bought it because I truly can't imagine myself in any other car. Okay, let's move to the back seat because that was progress. Oh, there's my worm. Why am I the weirdest person in the world? Because who has worms in their car? Basically, last year, like senior year of high school, we did this thing in my film class and we hung worms all over the film class and I had so many of them. So I always just kept this one because I think it's so cute. And it used to live right up there with my other little friend, but I drove around like 5 frat guys the other day and they were obsessed with this worm. So I'm putting her back. She lives up there, that is where she belongs. But in the back seat, you can see I have this little thing, and this is my car trash can. This is a new purchase. My car has always been littered with trash simply because I eat in here, I drink in here, I do everything in here. And I'm always driving around other people, and it's always disgusting. I bought this little car trash can off Amazon. I will have it linked in my Amazon storefront, which is in my bio, but you literally just hang it around, it's Velcro, around the back seat of your car, and it actually fits so much. Like this thing is pretty big, like compared to the size of my head, and it also has this little pocket. You could keep like hand sanitizer or napkins or anything you want in here, but clearly I have some Starbucks trash in here that I should dump out. But I love her. She holds everything she needs to hold, and it makes me have less crap everywhere because I know there's one designated place to put my trash. So it's definitely been helpful and I would recommend. I'm gonna go dump this now because I don't need to be walking around with like 4-day-old Starbucks trash in my car. And just like that, you just put this right back around the back seat. Why is McDonald's sending me notifications on my Apple Watch? Whatever. And then you just Velcro this right back up together, and there she goes. There's your little car trash can. Perfect. When I'm driving, I literally just reach my hand behind here and I throw my crap in it, and it's perfect. The trunk. This is where the mess lives. Everything that I don't want in my car, I just throw in here. So I used to have these adorable little freaking pink bunnies on my dashboard, and I think I want to put them back there. They don't sit up straight though, that's the thing. And they're Easter, and it's almost Easter again, but like they don't stay up like this, so they just lay like this. But I think it'll add to the pink theme, so we're gonna put these back out. I will always and forever recommend a car blanket because I always get freezing cold all the time. So this is so clutch. This is literally from Walmart. I think it was like $5. Here's my old steering wheel cover that everyone bullied me into getting rid of because it's so dirty. Y'all, this used to be white. It's not white anymore. And then here's my broken car tripod. So let's walk these to the trash. Back in here you go. Bye-bye. All right, then I have a water gun. This was from when I did like Senior Assassin. You shoot people with the water gun to get them out. This was fun. It definitely doesn't belong in my car anymore. And then I have pickleball stuff. I have Marc Jacobs pickleball paddles and little balls. This also does not need to go in my car any longer. I have a can of Pringles. You know what? I'm always down for a car snack. So those are gonna stay actually. We're leaving the Pringles. And then I have this sweatshirt, which also can stay because I'm always freezing. Always good to have. And this is clutch. This is a car tray. If you've been watching my videos for a long time, this literally goes around your steering wheel and you can eat in your car without making a mess. So she's staying as well. Now we just have the necessities and these are going back up in the front. Okay, this is balancing on the trash can. This could be a absolutely terrible idea, but gonna take my thumbnail. That guy just looked at me. I am on such a main road right now. Literally, so many people just waved to me. Okay, I'm putting these in my car now. Oh, I also only have 2 doors in my car, which some people love and some people hate. Okay. She's adorable. Now for the passenger side. The only thing I really keep in here was masks from when Corona was like super crazy, but honestly, haven't used a mask in a really long time unless it's like necessary when I go to the doctor. So I think I'm gonna take these out. Oh, here's empty hand sanitizer. Trash. Chick-fil-A straw. Trash. I don't think this can go on YouTube, but I guess I have a in here. Self-defense. She's gonna stay there just in case. All of the random crap in my car is just gonna live on this shelf in the garage because I have nowhere else to put it. We're gonna take the beautiful Caiti coupe to go get a car wash and get cleaned. No car tripod comes for new angles while I'm driving, so I'm sorry if this camera is literally the shakiest thing. Oh my gosh, it's so shaky. But I think I'm going to pay somebody to clean the inside of my car because no matter how many times I vacuum my own car at the car wash, it never looks good. I feel like it always looks disgusting. I can't get into all the crevices and cracks and it just looks nasty, and I want my car to look nice. And I've been driving so much recently since I've been home, like going to visit friends, just going everywhere. Like I'm about to go road trip to UGA, University of Georgia, today after I film this. Oh, that was a big bum. And I just want a clean car because it's so gross right now. Like, I feel like I'm living in disgust. Okay, this angle sucks. I promise I will get a car tripod soon, a new one. But until then, you're just gonna have to deal with it. Also, my hair feels so freaking silky soft today. It's because I washed it for the first time in a while. I love her. She feels so good, so soft, so pretty. I'm at a red light, so don't worry, but I want to show you guys how pretty my car is with this new steering wheel. It like literally reflects glitter sparkles everywhere, and I'm just so obsessed with it. It's so cute. I found a new car wash place, and hopefully they're gonna do the inside and it'll be beautiful because it is so crusty, dusty, musty. Ugh. I can't believe I'm showing you guys this. Look at those floor mats. Oh my gosh. Here she is. This looks fancy. Look at these big screens up here. The thing is, I don't really want to wash the outside. I literally just want to wash the inside, and I don't know if that is an option. So I guess I'm going to do the special wash because $25 feels like a lot to me, but I really only want the inside done because I'm about to go park my car outside for like 2 days in a college town, and it's just gonna get gross. But I don't know, like some of these, look, that's like $70. Are you kidding me? I just want to clean the inside. This feels a little scammy to me. Also, this guy in front of me isn't moving, and look at the stickers on his car. I'm a little scared. I'm gonna ask if they can only do the inside, but I feel like that's not gonna happen. I don't know. He told me to pull up over here, so I think I'm doing the right thing. I get nervous in situations like this. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Alright, what can we get you done?
I was wondering if you could just do the inside.
Oh, you want it detailed?
Not detailed, just like, you see how on the thing it says like interior and exterior? I don't want the outside washed.
We look at it.
Okay. I feel like he might tell me no. I can't tell if I won or lost that deal because I'm paying him $30 to do the inside and the outside, but on the thing it said 25. So I don't know if he upcharged me. I don't know. I told you I get stressed in these situations. I'm watching cars go through the car wash though. Mine will go through soon. I would buy one of these right now, but they don't have any pink ones. These are red and I want pink. Well, my car is cleaned now, and that literally took like 45 minutes. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but I thought it was gonna be way faster than that. It wasn't even detailed. Like, I didn't pay for a detailing. I just paid for interior and exterior, like basic. So I don't know why it took so freaking long. Oh my goodness. My car is definitely clean though. Like, it looks good. I just wish it didn't take so long. Would I say that that was worth $30? Probably not. The old car wash place I used to go to was like $20 for the same thing, but they closed. So I guess I don't really have an option here. Like, it looks good. Obviously, there's still some water because it's drying, but like most of the dust is gone. But I don't know. You definitely can't see in the lighting right here, but there's still some dusty things. Like, it doesn't look bad, but I don't think that it was worth $30? Maybe I'm crazy, I don't know. Don't get me wrong, I'm so glad that my car is cleaned. It definitely needed that because of all the driving I've been doing, and I'm about to drive another 2 hours. But yeah, I'm glad I got it done. Thank you guys for watching me clean my car with me. I can't wait to order some more really cute pink stuff to decorate my car with, but don't forget to subscribe if you're new and follow all my socials. I love doing these car videos, and I think you guys like them too, but I love you. I'm so glad my car is clean, and she's so cute and pink now. Like, look at her. Pink, 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 pink. She's perfect. I love her. That's it for now, guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to always smile and be kind to one another, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye bye. Mwah.